Yo, what's going on? Alex Jenkins checking in. Currently in a trade on USD for a buy at 113.50. Right now the market's at 113.56. $23 in profit. I only bought one contract at $68. So things are going pretty well. I got 10 minutes left on this trade. Been in this trade for over an hour. So just gonna watch this thing do what it does. You can see the chart here. I caught this downside movement earlier. Now I'm catching this upside movement now. But we're gonna continue to watch this thing and see what happens. Got 10 minutes left. I'll get back with you. Yo, I'm back. This thing's getting closer and closer to my strike price. So for that, I'm going to be taking profit. $17 take profit. 18. We'll take profit on that. Slow night. I can't stay through expiry right now for some odd reason, but it is what it is. I'm taking in profits right now, so that's where it's gonna go. And I should have a better trading day come tomorrow. And come tomorrow. Don't be too much trade on Friday, but I'm getting a better gist of the strategy. Alex Jenkins checking out. Excuse me.